Gunsmiths learn their craft through an apprenticeship, and the skills required include wood carving, drawing, machinery operation, and tool making. You need a matric with maths and science and a creative flair. The basic design of firearms has not changed a lot since the beginning of the early 1900s. A typical day begins with writing up the job cards with the customer's requirements. These include assembling a brand new firearm from scratch, repairing or refurbishing a firearm, or manufacturing additions like a silencer. Firearms include assault and sporting rifles, revolvers or pistols, and shotguns. The basic parts are the barrel, the action, the part which makes it fire, the handle, called a stock on a rifle or a grip on a revolver or pistol, and the front and back sights. A gunsmith is responsible for making sure all these parts are made or repaired accurately and safely. You can see from the machinery used to manufacture firearms that it is not the world of high-tech remote manufacture, but rather one requiring hands-on skill. Here, an operator uses a milling machine to cut and make different parts. Welding equipment is used to attach a fitting to a firearm in a process known as hard soldering. This chamber reamer is a specialized cutting tool used to hollow out the barrel so the bullet can travel through it. It is a bit like drilling a hole into a thick piece of steel. Chambers are cut or reamed to fit different sized bullets. They are reamed to different calibers. For example, a .45 caliber firearm means its barrel was reamed to a diameter of 0.45 of an inch. To make the action, the gunsmith may have to produce a drawing and make the parts from scratch, which requires creativity and accuracy. The carving of the stock also requires creativity. These stocks all began as a solid block of wood. One of today's orders is to tap holes into a barrel. Tapping a hole means it has a thread to hold a screw, and this has to be done with extreme precision. The holes are tapped to screw parts to the firearm like the sight mount, the part you look through to see your target. The strict legal requirements in gun manufacture include knowledge of the Firearms Control Act. The sight has to comply with the Act's security standards, which are similar to those for a prison. It is fitted with specialized burglar bars and safes. A set of registers records all work and client details and copies of licenses. The registers go to the police on a daily or weekly basis. It takes a lot more than an interest in firearms to be a gunsmith. For this highly specialized craft, you need to be a jack of all trades and master of them all.